Hello students, a very good evening to everyone. This is Sunanda Mitri going to teach the subject self-development and art appreciation. Student, as you know, we have already completed 2 chapters. Today we will see the third chapter, values. Now, the word values has different meanings. So, the value is a homograph. Homograph is a words which have the same spelling, same pronunciation with different meanings. So value is also having different meanings, so therefore value is also a homograph. You must have been studied about the homographs in English grammar. Okay, here some sentences are given in which the word value is used and with the different meanings. So let's see the first sentence. Yusuf packed all his valuables in a suitcase to keep them safe. Here the word valuables stands for the important things. That means Yusuf packed all his valuables, that is important things, in a suitcase to keep them safe. Now let's read the second sentence. Delcy found her father's new car to be great value for the money. Here the value stands for cost. Delcy found her father's new car to be great cost for money. Now the third sentence we have, you should value others' time. Here the value stands for the respect. You should respect others' time. The fourth one, Shalini complained that nobody valued her talent. That is, nobody gave importance or nobody respected her talent. You can say that. So the last one, Akshay says honesty is my value. Here the value word means it's a belief that we follow or our actions are depend on this value. In Hindi the value is called as a sanskar. You must be heard about this achhe sanskar and bure sanskar, that good values and bad values. So we will study more about this. Okay, what are values? Values are basic and fundamental beliefs that guide or motivate attitudes or actions. Our actions and attitude is totally depend on our values, that which type of values we are getting or we are absorbing. They help us to determine what is important to us. The values help us to determine what is correct and what is wrong for us. Now, why are values important? Let us start with an example. It is the last day to pay the fees. You forgot to bring the money to pay the fees. You accidentally find the money that your friend has brought to pay the fees. You will be in trouble if you don't pay the fees and are tempted to use his money. But even your friend needs it. You have two options. Whether the option 1, return the money to your friend and face your problem. Option 2, use your friend's money as if it is your own. Okay, if you had the good values, you will definitely going to be select the option 1. That is, return the money to your friend and face your problem. Okay, the bad values teach you us that use your friend's money as if it is your own. If you will choose for second option, if you will use your friend's money, then he has to suffer or he has to face that problem. So we should have always have to be a good values in us. We should inculcate the good values always. Personal values. Personal values define our life, that which how the way how we behave, how the what type of attitude we have in our life, that defines our personal value. So it is important to identify the values that are important to each individual. Now this is, we should identify that which values are important and which values are good for the each individuals. Personal values will differ from person to person. Everybody has their different values, so it differ from person to person. Influence of personal values on habit. Okay, here we have the first point, integrity. Integrity means what? Speaking the truth, not cheating, not deceiving, standing by your beliefs or words. Not deceiving means that if we have promised something and we have not done that, that is not deceiving. Standing by your beliefs, words, what you have said and what your values, that you should follow. So these all are the integrity. The next is empathy, being able to understand and share somebody's else feelings. We should understand the feelings of others. That is called as a empathy. The next is simplicity, living a simple life without giving too much importance to material possessions or outward appearances. That physically or the dressing style, we give, most of the people are giving importance for physical appearance or uh, the way they live or the dressing style of the other people, but we should give the importance for their intellectual values. That is called simplicity. Forgiveness, that is forgiving people for their mistakes. Self discipline, following what has been decided, agreed upon, even if it is hard or demanding and when nobody is watching. That is called as self discipline. For example, if your school has a rule like you should not throw garbage here and there, and you follow in school also, you never throw glitters or the garbage anywhere in the school premises. Okay, if you are going out or if you are in the on the road, if you are, if you have garbage in, then you, if you will throw garbage in on the road, that is not a self discipline. You should follow that rule everywhere, even if there is nobody is watching over there, still you have to follow that self discipline. The next is the dignity of labor, treating people doing all type of work with equal dignity and respect. That means if the people are doing different type of work, we should respect all, whether he is sweeper or doctor, whoever, we should respect all equally, not considering it below your dignity to any work. So the next is courage, doing or saying something even in the face of difficult situation. So we should have the courage that we can face any difficult situation, and we have to face the difficult situation. We should not run away from there. The next is cleanliness, being a clean, doing work in a neat, hygienic manner. That is cleanliness. The next is humility, not feeling superior to others and treat everyone politely. We should not think that we are superior of others, and we should treat everyone politely. The next is justice, being fair and reasonable. We should always being a justice, that we should be fair and it should have them some reasons. The next is punctuality, being on time. We should be on time, whether if you are going to school or whether you are any work which is assigned to you, it should be on time. That is called punctuality. So these all are the influence of personal values on habits. Find the values. Okay, where we find the values over, now some examples are given. Just find out which type of values they have. The first example we have, Mohan is a milkman. It delivers milk every many houses. Other milkmen mix water in the milk to increase the quantity and thereby the profits. However, Mohan refuses to do so. Why? Because Mohan has a value like honesty. He show honesty over there. It does not mix the water in the milk because he has some values. That is honesty. The next is Ratan and his friends broke the window of a house while playing cricket. His friends immediately ran away while Ratan owned up and apologized for the mistake. That means he accepted his mistake, that he has a courage, that if any difficult situation arises, we should face it. And we should take the right decision. The next is Bhaskar's friends had borrowed his textbook before the test to study. However, he lost it. A result, Bhaskar scored less marks in the test. His friend apologized Bhaskar did not hold it against his friend and they continue to be good friends. So Bhaskar has forgive to his friend. That is forgiveness. He has the quality or he has the values like forgiveness. The next is Nilima is always on time for all her commitments. Once a job is assigned to her, she always ensures that she gives it best and submit it on time. This shows that the Nilima has a values like punctuality. That is on time. We should do any work or we should punctual in any work. The next point we have origin of values. Origin of values means from where we get this values. So the first point, punctuality and discipline, we get from school. Family members, we learn many things from our family members. Our family members teach us that what is right and what is wrong and what things you have to do at what time. And we also learn from our friends or from our society. So these all are the origin of values, from where we get all these values and which determines ourselves and our attitude and our behavior. The environment is very effective, that our values are dependent on our environment where we live and what kind of people we have surrounding us. Now next is home, a replica of the society. Our home is in a way a replica of our society. Different members of our family stay together in a harmony. Everybody has equal responsibility towards his or her home. Now think about the work division in your home. Do you think it is fair? It should be. Actually, the parent are always equally divide the work between they never do the partiality among the children. So everybody has the equal work. Would you like to suggest something in it? On the basis of which values should the work be distributed? It should be on justice, that there should be no partiality. Values versus norms. Okay, look at the following two scenarios and try and reflect on the difference between the values and the norms. Okay, here we have first example, throwing litter in the school premises was strictly disallowed in Pushkar's school. Pushkar never throws litter anywhere except the dustbin when in the school premises. However, when Pushkar is walking on the street, it does not mind throwing litter on the footpath. Now here we have one more person, that is one more child, Harbhajan. He also studied in the same school. He too never throws litter in the school premises. Not just that, he does not throw litter around even when he is on the street or in the other public places. He does not throw litter around even when alone. Norms. So can you identify what is the difference between values and their norms? Norms which we have to do. That means a school has some discipline and we should strictly follow it. That is norm. And values which we inculcate in us, that wherever we are, we have to follow that values. So this is the difference between values and norms. Hope you understood this chapter. If you have any doubt regarding this chapter, you can ask in the doubt clearing section. Thank you.